Have you ever been called a boring person? Or have you ever met someone who was completely disinteresting? I guess the answer is yes, because we all met such people. No, I'm not boring. But how to stop or how to avoid being boring? In today's video you will know 7 interesting and efficient steps using which can help anyone to stop being a boring person and create a positive and nice impression when you meet new people for the very first time. And before we have started, make sure you have already subscribed to my channel and your notifications are on. And step number 1, take conversation under your control. It's the major rule: you should speak about things that interest other people the most. That's right, interests of other people, but not yours. I'm not asking you to explore 100 articles related to religion, politics and economics. Indeed, those knowledge can make your conversation to be very intelligent, but probably it still will be so boring if people who you are talking to have no interest in such topics. Yes, some knowledge can help make a good impression and make people want to keep the conversation going. And indeed, you should regularly develop yourself and be busy with your self-improvement. However, make sure you are using your words carefully. Refrain from speaking excessively, especially about religion and politics, because you can unintentionally insult someone's beliefs and there will be no way back to a friendly atmosphere anymore. But if you want guaranteed success in conversation with new people, then just be sincerely interested in something that they know very well, or in their recent experience, or ask them some kind of advice based on their knowledge. Make them feel important to you. People love this feeling. Nowadays it's quite hard to find a good listener, and even if you won't speak a lot, but will listen carefully, will pay attention to the topics that they have decided to discuss, and then we'll ask a couple questions related to those topics. Man, you will be a god of the first impression, and your new friends will definitely think of you as the nicest person, and they guaranteed would love to meet you again. Just show some interest in them, and sure they will do the same to you. Step number 2. Remove standard, boring questions from your vocabulary. Yeah, most people suck at asking questions. How are you? Where are you from? How long you've been living here? Where did you go to school? What's your job? With these kind of questions, you are forcing people to keep repeating the same answers they have been given hundreds or even 1,000 times. Because it's kinda classic questions for the first meeting. Bullshit. Boring, meaningless bullshit. Do you really think that someone will answer to you how he or she is really doing at the first minute of meeting with you? Will someone tell you how much he hates his new boss? Or that his girlfriend doesn't have time for him anymore? Or maybe she has an affair with a neighbor? Or he is just feeling lonely because he can't forget his past love? Huh? Really? How are you? Oh, I'm fine, thank you. And you? Oh, I'm fine too, thank you. What is it for? Instead of this, you need to ask right type of questions that actually helps people to open up to you and share something personal, so you can form a real connection. Ask what are you really passionate about in life? What do you love to do the most? Where have you spent your best vacation? And where would you like to go most of all? These type of questions will keep your conversations exciting, positive and sincere, and won't let them die in a few minutes after start talking. And step number 3, don't use your phone in social meetings. It's just disgusting. People will easily lose interest to keep a conversation with you if you are constantly checking your messages, emails and texting someone on your phone. Yes, we all want to stay updated, but when you are attending a party or an event, visiting a restaurant or a gym with your friends, focus on the people you are surrounded with instead of getting stuck with this plastic box. This will make you look like a more respectful and open person. Besides that, speaking to people around you can also help in breaking the feeling of awkwardness and achieving the confidence, and let other people to have a chance to get to know you more. And step number 4, stop wasting time on things that don't matter. One of the best ways to stop being a boring person is to stop wasting your time. Don't spend too much time on the internet or television. It occupies your brain but also takes your mind under control. These things stop you from being who you can actually become. It makes you less carefree and creative, but more anxious. So if you want to be less boring, then stop doing those things that take a lot of time and effort, but gives back nothing productive or useful. And step number 5, improve your body language. If you didn't know, your gestures, facial expressions and posture can help you to make a conversation much brighter. And you will be surprised how much people will be glad of having chat with you. Everyone is going to love you and find you less boring because of the way you speak and react to their words. Have an open posture. Don't keep your hands crossed and avoid standing with your hands on your hips. Maintain a good eye contact and avoid of touching your face because it's a signal of being dishonest. Man, stop keeping your hands in pockets during conversation. It means you are unsatisfied with yourself. It's a sign of shyness or a lack of confidence. So come on, dude, add more gestures to your own words and show them your hands, unless it's not really cold there. And step number 6, always be ready to learn, explore and discover. Yeah, you should always be ready to learn new things. Look out for new opportunities. Visit new places. Build on your skills. Gain new knowledge. Go and find a new place and tell your friends about it. Show them this place, hang out together and have a good time. People love to eat, so find a good place with delicious food and next time bring there your friends to enjoy together. Always think outside the box. Learn a new skill if you can. Learn some cooking. Girls love guys who can cook. Check out a couple of museums or exhibitions, cooking classes, fitness center, or even salsa classes. Whenever there is an opportunity to go at a concert, go ahead and enjoy there too. All these things will allow you to become a more interesting and enthusiastic person. And the last step, number 7, travel. Traveling is the best way to get out of your comfort zone and achieve self-development. It allows you to experience life differently. It opens your mind. It becomes your way of meditation. Many studies have shown that traveling also helps to gain more confidence. And it's a great way to develop cultural education. If you travel abroad, you can easily get into learning new language. But even short trips to beautiful places around can develop your personality and mental health and bring more adventures into your life. So no one will ever again think of you as a boring person.